Dr. Nandita Dubey. I am a cosmetic gynecologist with Dr. Gunjan.
Dr. Nandita, we have been seeing a massive increase in the weight loss injections like Mounjaro and semaglutide, and frankly speaking, the result has been incredible. Now, people are losing weight faster than ever, but many people don't understand that these people see with the rapid weight loss changes also see the changes in the skin quality.
Exactly. They are very excited in getting their weight shed. But then they suddenly start noticing changes in the hidden area below. And in fact, most of them actually come and tell me that, the intimate area has started looking a little older. So these changes are noticeable in the female genitalia also. There is fat loss in the labial area, and this vaginal skin or the labial skin shrinks and the vaginal health deteriorates. Actually, that's how the phrase got coined as Ozempic vulva.
This is a very important point. Now, always the internet is flooded with the facial changes after the weight loss injections. And only this information, which is also very popularly known as the Ozempic faces or semaglutide faces. There is the hollowness in the cheeks, sunken under eye, there is a jawline sagging, and also dullness and deteriorated skin quality also. Now, in these patients, they don't understand there is a sudden collagen and volume fat loss in all over the body, and the body tissue and also the intimate area tissue is also affected with that sudden weight loss.
Absolutely. So this weight loss causes rapid fat loss. So now we cannot choose where the fat loss is going to happen. It can happen any area, and the result in the intimate area which is noticeable is the firmness in the vaginal area goes down. There is looseness or laxity felt in that area. The labial texture changes. There is hollowness in the labial area, as a result of which the inner labial lip starts becoming more prominent, and it's a cause of concern and discomfort for the lady. Now, these are not pure physical appearance changes. It also interferes with her day-to-day life, affecting the function.
Yes.
So, in spite of this, it is a very less discussed topic, probably because it is always often gets disregarded, as it is area which is more or less hidden and never gets more attention, whereas one should actually know that it is a very common and most frequently seen problem.
The good news is that we have treatment of all these concerns, and if these concerns are timely tackled, they can give a very good result. Now at Yuvini, we have the treatments like advanced collagen stimulator treatment, advanced skin tightening treatments, radio frequency skin tightening treatment, and regenerative aesthetic treatments. Now, also the volume restoration and the dullness and to restore the skin quality, we can have a customized injectable treatment which is very effective basically.
Similarly, in intimate area, at our center, we have advanced cosmetic gynecology procedures which focused on restoring the vaginal health and rejuvenating that area. These are minimally invasive treatments and faster recovery with minimal downtime. It can be either individual treatment as on own, or can be combined. So laser treatments or RF treatment, they work towards firming the intimate area, and for building up the volume, injection hyaluronic acid or the patient's own fat can be used. And of course, let's not forget labiaplasty. Labiaplasty should be done for resizing the labia. Now, let me just clarify, these all treatments are customized, and they are not pure cosmetic treatments, not done purely for appearance, but also it helps in improving and restoring the function in that area.
That's why, Dr. Nandita, I always tell my patients that weight loss is not only about reducing in the scale, but also restoring the your skin health, your collagen restoration, and the youthfulness.
How true. Holistic approach should be the best treatment approach in such scenarios. Women, after losing weight, we want them to be looking more healthier, stronger, and more confident, be it their face, body, or the intimate area. Important part here which I need to harp on is that these topics need to be discussed more and more, be it social media or when you consult your consultant in the clinic.
That's why I always tell my patients that early intervention always gives the best results. And if you have already started seeing the looseness in your skin or lost the firmness, you should reach out to us to know more about how we can restore this as early as possible.
Very true. That holds true even for the intimate area. Women should not shy and rather come and speak of their problems, because now we have solutions and treatments available for these problems.
At Yuvni Aesthetic Clinic, Dr. Nandita, I always tell our patients that your weight loss journey should look healthier, more youthful from inside out.